so I need some trash talk, bro.
I'm a lover, not a fighter.
Okay, M2 2018. What year is your car, bro?
2010.
2010. Damn, that's 8 years, bro. Okay, so what do you think is the outcome of this race?
Breakfast, Goody. I made you for breakfast.
Breakfast.
I haven't eaten anything.
Okay, stock M2.
Yeah.
Anything else to say?
Nothing. Let's go eat.
Let's go eat, huh? Okay. What do you say about it?
Actually just cleaned my mirrors, so his car's gonna look really good in there.
So, do you think you're gonna beat his ass or?
How with your fat ass in the car?
I'm just 200 pounds, bro.
Hey, that's a lot of weight. We'll see, bro. We'll see. It's like my first time racing, so do I have any expectations? I don't really.
1 from 60, I don't know. It's up to you.
So 50.
We need to hurry up.
50, let's go.
Alright, go. There's a state trooper there, but fuck it. Alright, 40.
A few moments later.
God damn it. Oh shit. That was a fucking cop. Bruh.
You see that cop?
Yeah, I thought he was gonna pull us over.
What do we do?
I mean, he's far ahead. I don't know where he is now. Hey, let's go again. Let's do 45 miles an hour, yeah?
Alright, go.
Slide to the left. Slide to the left.
Yeah, we don't have the rights for this song, but you can sing it.
If you bad bitch, come and get your rent paid. Dun, 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 dun. I told you, bro, if I switch gears, I'm out.
Bro, did you hear my wheel spin? Fuck. Hey, these brakes are on fleek though.
Huh?
These brakes are on fleek. Let's do it again. Do 50 miles an hour. Third gear, right here. We'll let these guys go. We'll slow down a little bit. We'll go like 30. I'm saying we'll slow down while we increase our distance with the guys in front of us.
Go. So are you okay with the result or?
Yeah.
I guess there was no point for him to clean his mirrors.
I mean,
Got him! Got him!
So who's the winner? I don't understand.
I don't know.
I'm racing him next.
Stuck? There's no point. Then you gotta really clean your mirrors, you know?
I might hire you to clean them.
I'm cool with that.
Give him this Juventus shirt to clean them very well.
You wanna know something? Once we race, you're gonna make an appointment with APM. in Villa Park.
Like ASAP.
I'm okay.
No, you're saying that now, but just wait.
I
know
think
it's
it-
going to get time to it, but when it's time, it's time.
Time is right now.
Listen, bro, I've been in your car. I know what you've done to it, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, but you
I
don't
know the
you don't know the
result.
feeling when you're in second place.
I understand.
When your asshole
Today I was
goes
in
from
first
this to this.
Today I was in first place, so
I don't know about
when
that.
time comes,
I think we're both in second.
Some good food, huh?
Yes, sir.
So the loser of the race is paying for the food, huh?
Yeah. Looks like you're paying.
I'm paying. Cash or credit, bro?